Islamic Republic of Pakistan is a country in South Asia which is the sixth most populated country. Its official language is Urdu. Pakistan's national anthem has been ranked one of the best anthems in the world. The name Pakistan translates to the land of the pure. Our beloved country, Pakistan, has many of the world's most beautiful natural sites and historical landmarks. Among all the Muslim countries, Pakistan is the only Muslim country which is the nuclear power and has a good deal of nuclear weapons. India, one of the oldest inhabited places of the world and second most populated country, it has one of the richest and vivid histories and heritage. India is the cradle of human race, birthplace of human speech, mother of history, the grandmother of legend and the great-grandmother of tradition. Islamic Republic of Iran is a mountainous and ethnically diverse country of southwestern Asia. It is famous for its architecture, verdant gardens, and is renowned for its poetry, lush gardens, and magnificent rugs tapestry. Iran is home to UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It has one of the oldest civilizations. Iran is the second largest country in Middle East and 17th largest country in the world, having the official language Persian and religion Islam. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is located in Western Asia, having the largest deserts and being the world's largest exporter of petroleum. It was rated as the best place to do business in Middle East by the World Bank. Saudi Arabia is the home to Islam's holiest shrines in Mecca and Medina. Afghanistan is the multi-ethnic country located in the heart of South Central Asia, lies along important trade routes connecting Southern and Eastern Asia to Europe and Middle East. The newly formed democratic country is the 39th most populated country in the world. Pashto and Dari is the national language. People's Republic of China has the largest population in the world and is the third largest country by area. Chinese invented papers, magnetic compasses, tea porcelain, silks, gunpowder, and has the fastest growing economy in the world. United States of America is the world's most powerful country and has the largest economy in the world. English is considered to be the national language. It is beautiful and a diverse country with a multicultural society. America is a nuclear power and has a good deal of nuclear weapons. United States of America is the fourth largest country in the world by land and third by population. First man to walk on the moon was American astronaut Neil Armstrong. War is the ugliest thing in the world. It never resolves any problem, but it badly affects human beings. Many countries were destroyed badly by World War II. We should try to resolve the outstanding issues of the world that may create the next war, like Kashmir, Palestine, Syria, Burma, and other very serious issues of the world. If any war starts now, then it will be decisive and will wrap the whole world in its destruction and havoc. Peace is the only way forward for humanity.